Tracking your most accurate forecast on this Tuesday. I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres. Get ready for a gusty day across the state as a storm system passes just to our north, bringing with it some high winds and some fire danger, especially in eastern parts of Arizona. Here's a look at futurecast winds at 10 o'clock this morning. Notice along the rim we get those darker colors indicating the stronger winds. Areas from Flagstaff to Heber and Show Low, wind speeds sustained around 20 to 30 miles per hour, even stronger at times in the afternoon, with peak wind gusts in several locations in excess of 50 to even 60 miles per hour. In the valley, we're forecasting breezy conditions for the rest of your Tuesday afternoon, with gusts anywhere from 30 to 35 miles per hour later on today. As I mentioned, here in the valley, the winds will be gusting around 30 to 35 later this afternoon. In the high country, winds way stronger, with gusts anywhere from 45 to even 60 miles per hour. That's where we have high wind warnings along the Mogollon Rim toward the White Mountains, and then as you head toward other parts of northern Arizona, we have wind advisories taking effect at 11 o'clock this morning, lasting until 7 this evening. We also have a wind advisory for southeastern Arizona beginning at 10 o'clock this morning, with gusts there around 55 miles per hour. So, with the high winds, the low humidity, the dry fuels, the hot temperatures, we have that wildfire risk ramping up again today, especially in central and eastern parts of the state. So outdoor burning is highly discouraged on days like today as a result of that storm coming in that will favor rain and snow north of Arizona. We're talking Utah and up toward the Great Basin. We're south of it. What does that mean for us? Well, a lot of wind, a lot of fire danger, and even some blowing dust in those dust-prone areas in southeastern Arizona. Then the storm moves out and cooler air is set to arrive. And another reinforcing shot of cool air arrives by the weekend, giving us not just highs in the 90s and 80s in a few spots, but even a chance of rain as you head towards central and northern Arizona. So that big cool down is on the way. We had highs on Sunday and yesterday right around 101 to 104. Today forecasting a high in the lower 90s and even cooler tomorrow with highs in the mid 80s. Northern Arizona today, highs in the 60s with windy conditions in Flagstaff. Same for Heber. 70s and 80s across much of central portions of the state, with 90s as you head toward areas like the valley and in southern Arizona too. Your 7-day forecast showing those temperatures staying in the 80s and 90s for a while, including for the weekend, with the next storm moving in, giving us some breezy conditions, slight chance for showers as well, and highs staying in the 80s from Sunday and Monday. But today, breezy with fire danger, especially in eastern Arizona, with highs in the 90s and lows in the 60s.